Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. I am your social studies teacher from Behria Colleges PNAT. Today I will explain you part number 1 of lesson number 1, the universe and the solar system. Before starting the lesson, there are some learning objectives. Number 1 is at the end of the lesson you will be able to explain the universe, solar system and its components. Number 2, learn some new information about the solar system, planets, sun and moon. Number 3, at the end of the lesson you will be able to take interest in astronomy. Now we will start from the universe. The universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust, clouds, light and even time. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions or billions of stars. The space between the stars and galaxies is largely empty. The universe is all of space and time and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of matter and energy. Now next is the solar system. The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun. The solar system also consists of moons, comets, asteroids, minor planets, dust and gas. The inner solar system contains the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Everything in the solar system orbits or revolves around the sun. The sun contains around 98% of all the material in the solar system. The larger an object is, the more gravity it has. Because the sun is so large, its powerful gravity attracts all the other objects in the solar system towards it. At the same time, these objects, which are moving very rapidly, try to fly away from the sun outward into the emptiness of the outer space. Now I have some home tasks for you. It is the activity on page number 5. In this activity you have a chart. You will write 8 planet names in first column and then write the more information in other columns. You can use internet for this activity. There is an other activity on page number 6. In this activity you will find the given words in grid and circle them. There is also a worksheet. I hope after watching this video you will be able to complete this worksheet. This worksheet is about the solar system.